Josh here at Jordanbikes in Leeds this morning. We've got this 2015 Suzuki GSXS1000. It is fitted with a Yoshimura full system. It has got a K&N air filter in it, and we have removed the air restrictor from the airbox. So as I said, it's been in for a full ECU remap. We are going to do the final run now, and then we'll talk about everything that we've achieved. Right, so this morning we did a base run on the bike. It made 145 horsepower. Fueling really lean, as you would expect with a full system, and had no fueling changes before. Obviously, like I said before, we've removed the air restrictor in the airbox, which allows more air to get in. And obviously with the K&N, it is going to run a lot leaner. So we've sorted the fueling out, as you can see. It's absolutely perfect throughout the full rev range now. As before, it was just far too lean, you see here. And then just through mid-range and top end, just far too lean. So yeah, we've done that, and we have got now a figure of 157 horsepower, so a nice 12 horsepower gain, all at the rear wheel. So yeah, be a massive difference. I have smoothed out the throttle because these bikes are really snatchy. The customer complained that it was really terrible, and to the point where he disliked riding it. So yeah, we've sorted all that out. We've removed the FI codes for the exhaust servo and the lambda sensor. Obviously with a full system it doesn't need them anymore, and yeah, that's about it. We've taken the restrictions off and made this bike a whole lot better. So yeah, should be a lot better. So if you want yours win, please give us a call.